taken apart the braking system. The braking for this cylinder is done by squeezing the whole body together. So, and then it will break. And this happens with two of these bolts. These are adjustable from the other side. And in this side we have these things, which are then screwing in like this. I have to clean these up, really. And then it will squeeze it up when we have an eccentric axle here. And this one is actually taking care of the squeezing. Let's start assembling this thing. So first of all, these go inside there, and this hole here should be lubricated. This in my syringe, this is some molybdenum whatever stuff. So I just put a little bit there and something in the hole as well, and also on the threads. Yep, that should do it. And now just roll it gently into place. Goes really smooth there. Now it's as it should be. It was really tight, rusty and whatever. Okay. Oh well, this goes really smooth. Yeah, there you are. Okay, then we have these specific bolts which have a very nice locking mechanism here. You take an Allen screw here, there, and then it will lift that one up. And then we have this. This is the eccentric, and this one, there is a set screw which goes to this groove. I will put some grease there, and then we have this face which is the bearing. So then we put this in from here. About this height. Okay, that went in. And then roll it until it does its... Yeah. There you are. Oh, this is smooth. This was really stiff originally. And then just a set screw here to lock it into place. You need to... Okay. Oh! These holes here, this and that, will go through into the machine, and then we have one surface here which should be lubricated. This one and maybe that one too. I have already put some oil into there, so it doesn't matter now. You don't need to do that. Okay, there you go. Then you just screw this in. Oh, it's really smooth. This doesn't require a lot of force. Oh, let me put this somewhere else, like there. So this doesn't require a lot of force, so I can use method like this one. Now we need to adjust it in a way that these tension the system equally. This was tight. Oh, this tightens up easily, and this one doesn't. there. That's there. Okay, I'll tighten these up now. Let's put these on. I believe this doesn't need a lot of force. They were not very tight when I opened them. And now clean up a little bit. Like that. And since this is really this molybdenum thing, I will decrease this outer part. I don't want to have any of this on my hands here. Okay, there you go. Let's lock it there. Yes! It didn't lock this way. Now it really locks. Yeah, good. And it feels like it does it. Yes! Because this was really horrible. Whatever I did, it didn't lock. One of the reasons might be that there was grease on this one. Of course you cannot lock it if you have a thick grease film. So what I have been doing here, I have been doing like this, back and forth, and squirting some solvent to there and getting the grease out. There is still some, but not as much as there was. This is ready. Correct bearing tightness, I believe. It's still tight, but it doesn't warm up. And then we have a working lock, which is really nice. We have a working index system here as well. Well, you probably didn't know that this machine is really nice. You can lock it in 15 degrees intervals. So so you don't need, when this is properly aligned, so you don't need to indicate it. There you are. That's 0. So in the next episode we go further down. Yeah, this table, there is a gear system under, and there is this oil fill-in screw here, which is so tight, and there are some issues here. Some 30-pound gorilla had done some hammering here, and well, if we get to this level, then we are, yeah, okay, from up to down. So, till then, see you!